Good morning, children. How are you? I think all are fine, children. Okay, children. Every class we learned about IIT chemistry in 7th class. Previous class we have started with second unit. What is second unit, children? Classifications of elements. Classifications of elements. First concept what, children? Introduction of classifications of elements. Class element, the term of element introduced by Robert Boyle. What is the definition of element? An element is a basic form of matter which cannot break down into simpler substance by chemical reaction. How many elements we have, children? 118 elements. Next, we discussed first law. What, children? We discussed 4 laws. First law, what is first law? Daubeney-Stride law. Next, second one, Newlands-Oktawitz law. Previous class we discussed Daubeney's law and Newlands-Oktawitz law. What is Daubeney-Stride law, children? The average of atomic mass of first and third element is equals to second element. We discussed so many examples also. First example, what, children? Lithium, sodium, potassium. Next, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Next example, sulfur, selenium, polonium. Next, calcium, strontium, barium. So we discussed 4 examples. So Newlands first law, Daubeney-Stride law applicable only few elements. Okay, Nana. Next, second law, what, children? Second law, Newlands-Oktawitz law. What is Newlands-Oktawitz law, children? What is Newlands-Oktawitz law? Very simple. What is Newlands-Oktawitz law, children? Say. Very good. So Newlands-Oktawitz law means, what is definition of Newlands-Oktawitz law? The properties of first element closely resembles to 8th element. The properties of first element closely resembles to 8th element. You know piano sounds, you know musical sounds, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. You know sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. In sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa first letters are sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. First letters are, last letters are. If this is first letter, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So what is examples? Lithium, sodium, potassium. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium. Next, boron, copper, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Next element, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. Silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese. So these properties of first element is closely resembles to 8th element. Then these properties of first element closely resembles to 8th element. These properties are equal. This element properties and this element properties also equal. So this law applicable up to calcium only. Up to here previous class we are discussed. Now we have started with Mendeleev classifications. Mendeleev periodic classifications. Next one, concept 2, Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table introduced by Mendeleev. Mendeleev periodic table introduced by Mendeleev in the year of 1869. Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table. Concept. This is concept 2. So Mendeleev periodic table introduced. The father of periodic table is Mendeleev. The father of periodic table is Mendeleev. The father of periodic table, Mendeleev. Next, Mendeleev periodic table. The definition of Mendeleev periodic law. What is the definition of Mendeleev periodic table? In the year of 1861. What is Mendeleev periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of the element, the chemical and physical properties of the element are periodic functions of their atomic mass. Periodic functions of their atomic mass. That is law of Mendeleev periodic table. So Mendeleev periodic law. Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev's periodic table. So, what is Mendeleev periodic law? Periodic law. The physical and chemical properties of the element. The physical and chemical properties of the element. The physical and chemical properties. Chemical properties of the element. Properties of the element. The physical and chemical properties of the element. The physical and chemical properties of the element are the periodic functions. Periodic functions of the atomic mass. Atomic mass. What is modern periodic law? Very important. The physical and chemical properties of the element are the periodic functions. The periodic functions of their atomic mass. What is physical properties? What is chemical properties? You know, children. I think you know. Next, what is atomic mass? See now. Physical properties. First one. What is physical properties? You know. Physical properties, you know. Very good. Melting point, boiling point, and density. So, physical properties. Physical properties: melting point, boiling point, and density. Okay. Physical properties mean melting point, boiling point, and density. Next, chemical properties. You know chemical properties, Nana? Chemical properties. Chemical properties mean, what is chemical properties? How an element react with another element. How an element react with another element. For example, another element. For example, metal react with hydrogen is called metal hydride. Metal react with, for example, we have to take one metal, sodium metal. Metal react with hydrogen is to form metal hydrides. For example, metal react with oxygen. To form metal oxides. What is Mendeleev periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of the element are the periodic functions of their atomic mass. What is physical properties, Nana? Physical properties mean melting point, boiling point, and density. What is chemical properties? How an element react with another element. For example, one element sodium, another element hydrogen. So metal react with non-metal. So this is metal hydrides. Metal react with hydrogen to form metal hydrides. Sodium metal react with oxygen to form metal oxides. These are chemical properties of modern periodic table. Modern periodic law. So next, for example, you take sodium. We take hydrogen react with sodium and sodium potassium reactivity. See now once again. So first we have to take metal. Metal react with hydrogen. Sodium react with oxide. So this is R2O. This is general form of oxides. Metal hydrates and metal oxides. Metal hydrates and this is metal hydride general formula. Metal hydride general formula RH. Metal oxide general formula R2O. Metal oxide general formula R2O. Metal oxide general formula R2O. Metal hydride general formula RH. This is Mendeleev periodic law. What is Mendeleev periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of the element are the periodic functions of the atomic mass. What is atomic mass? You know, children, I think in more concept you learned in 6th class. You know, what is atomic mass? What is atomic mass? The mass of one atom. What is atomic mass? The mass of one atom. The mass of one atom is called atomic mass. One atom, for example, we have to take, for example, hydrogen. Hydrogen, how many atomic mass? A, 1 AMU. Hydrogen having 1 AMU. For example, carbon having 12 AMU. AMU means atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. What is atomic mass? The mass of one atom. What is atomic mass? Nana? The atom. The mass of one atom. Hydrogen having 1 AMU. Carbon having 12 AMU. AMU means atomic mass unit. AMU means atomic mass unit. What is atomic mass? The mass of one atom. The mass of one atom. So hydrogen having 1 AMU. Carbon having 12 AMU. Hydrogen atomic mass. Atomic mass denoted atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. You know, children, what is Mendeleev periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of the element are the periodic functions of their atomic mass. What is physical properties? Nana? Melting point, boiling point, and density. What is chemical properties? How one element react with another element. How one element react with another element. So that is chemical properties. So what is examples? Chemical properties. Metal, we have to take metal react with hydrogen to form metal hydrides. Next we have to take metal react with oxygen. It is called metal oxides. Okay. Next, what is atomic mass? What is atomic mass? The mass of one atom. One hydrogen atom having 1 AMU atomic mass unit. Carbon having 12 atomic mass unit. 12 particles of atomic unit. 12 AMU. At AMU means atomic mass unit. Next, in modern Mendeleev periodic table, this is modern Mendeleev periodic law. Keep in your mind, what is Mendeleev periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of element are the periodic functions of the periodic functions of the atomic mass. What is physical properties? Physical properties mean melting point, boiling point, and density. What is chemical properties? How one element react with another element. How one element react with another element. For example, metal react with hydrogen to form metal hydrides. For example, metal react with oxygen to form metal oxides. Next, what is atomic mass? What is atomic mass? Atomic mass means the mass of one atom. The mass of one atom. For example, hydrogen having 1 AMU, carbon element having 12 AMU. AMU is atomic mass unit. Now, in Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table, generally modern periodic table having how many elements? 118 elements. We learned in 6th class. Okay. In modern periodic table having 63 elements. Keep in your mind, Mendeleev periodic table. The father of chemistry, Mendeleev. Mendeleev periodic table having 63 elements. Having 63 elements. 63 elements. Mendeleev periodic table having 63 elements. Mendeleev periodic table how many elements? Nana? Mendeleev periodic table having 63 elements. These 63 elements divided into some groups, some periods. Some groups, some periods. How many periods? How many groups? Periods. General periodic table, how many periods you know children? Very good. 7 periods. 7 periods are arranged in horizontal rows. So here in Mendeleev periodic table having 63 elements. These 63 elements are arranged in Mendeleev periodic table. So those elements are arranged in some periods, some groups. Some periods and groups. So here in Mendeleev periodic table having 7 periods. 7 periods. 7 periods are arranged in horizontal rows. Horizontal rows. Horizontal rows. Next groups. 8 groups. 8 groups. In Mendeleev periodic table having 8 groups. 8 groups are arranged in vertical columns. Vertically columns. Okay. So horizontal rows are periods. Vertical columns are groups. Vertical columns are groups. Horizontal rows are periods. Vertical columns are groups. In Mendeleev periodic table having 63 elements. So in 63 elements, those are elements arranged in periodic table. Some periods, some groups. How many periods? 7 periods. 7 periods are arranged in horizontal rows. 8 groups are arranged in vertical columns. Horizontal rows mean left to right. Vertical columns mean top to bottom. In generally modern periodic table having how many elements? You know, 118 elements. And 118 elements are arranged in modern periodic table. So modern periodic table, how many periods we have children? 7 periods. How many groups? 18 groups. But in Mendeleev periodic table having 63 elements, these 63 elements are arranged in 7 periods, 8 groups. 7 periods are arranged in horizontal rows. Horizontal rows mean from left to right. Vertical columns mean up to bottom. This is Mendeleev periodic table. Next, in Mendeleev periodic table, 7 groups, 8 groups are divided into some subgroups. Some A groups, some B groups. Some A groups, some B groups. So, in groups, in Mendeleev periodic table, how many groups are children? 8 groups. 8 groups arranged in some subgroups. A groups, some B groups. Next, in Mendeleev periodic table, how many elements are children? 63 elements. Okay, Nana? In Mendeleev periodic table, how many elements? How many elements? 63 elements. 63 elements are arranged in Mendeleev periodic table. 7 periods, 8 groups. 7 periods are arranged in horizontal rows. 8 groups are arranged in vertical columns. So, next groups. Before we are discussed oxides, no? Metal react with oxygen to form metal oxides. So, group next oxides. Group and oxides. Oxide general formula, for example, first year group. First year group elements what children? Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. In first year group element general oxides formula R2O. This is general formula of oxides first year group. Next second year group. Second year group formula oxides R2O2. Next third year group elements oxide formula R3O3. R2O3. Next fourth year group groups R2O2. How is formed this one? Metal react with oxides. In first group elements react with oxides, metal oxides. Second group, first group elements means hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Second group elements beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Third group elements boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. Fourth group elements carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Fifth group elements nitrogen, oxide. Fifth group elements nitrogen. Next phosphorus, tin, lead. Next oxygen family, oxide, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Halogen family, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Last group, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Zero group elements. This is general oxides formula. So, how is formed periodic table, metallic periodic table? Next class I will explain. Okay children, what we discuss now? What is Newlands-Ochtav's law? What is Newlands-Ochtav's law, children? The properties of first element closely resembles to eighth element. What is musical sounds, you know, children? Sarigama Padhanisa. So first element, first letter, last letter, both are equal, no? Like that only first element properties are equals to eighth element. Thus Newlands-Ochtav's law applicable up to calcium only. So today class what we discuss Mendeleev periodic table. What is Mendeleev periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of the element are the periodic functions of the atomic mass. What is physical properties? Nana? Melting point, boiling point, and density. What is chemical properties? How react with one element to another element. So for example, metal react with hydrogen to form metal hydrates. For example, metal react with oxygen to form metal oxides. Those are the general formula of metal oxides. In Mendeleev periodic table, the father of chemistry is Mendeleev. In Mendeleev periodic table having 63 elements. 63 elements are arranged in some groups, some periods. Periods have how many periods? 7 periods are arranged in horizontal rows. 8 groups are arranged in vertically columns. Next, 8 groups are divided into some subgroups. Now those are the metal oxides. This is formula of metal oxides. First year group element general oxides R2O. Second year group elements oxide R2O2. Third year group elements oxides R2O3. Fourth year R2O4. Fifth year R2O5. Next sixth year group R2O6. Seventh year group R2O7. Eighth year group R2O8. Okay. Children, all of you listen properly in my class and write notes. Okay children, I send some bits, you do that bits. Thank you, see you tomorrow.